Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So let's talk about last day and then we'll talk about what the data points are suggesting. So talking about the last day, we shorted in the morning. So here as you can see 22,000 P bought at 131, closed at 167, and 21,800 P bought at 68 and closed at 92. So which is so the first one was giving more than 50% and the next one I think was 35%. But anyway, so that was the trade, and that's where we caught the put buyers basically. So 9:48 in the morning, if you look at there, and so even if you go and look at the charts at 9:48, so it's here, okay. So this candle, when it spiked up here, so then we went short because the put buyers were also buying at that spike. And not only that, like even I also tweeted here, that is our, you can also go and check the timing, okay. So data points are highly negative. Yes, AI money flow is heavily negative. The score is heavily negative, and you can access the score here. So the score was available to all, to the public, and here you can see that like it was negative at that point from 9:40 onwards, and then you saw the fall. And even after that, like even if you go to Bank Nifty as well, so Bank Nifty score was also negative from the morning, and but after that, like you see, the score came to the neutral zone. So the score increased and came to the neutral zone, and then it did not, like the market did not fall further. And even you can see that in our score as well, like it went to the negative zone, it went to the neutral zone, and then some negative bias were there. And but yes, if you even look at the charts here, so the blue one is Nifty and the red one is the score. So coming down in the morning, and then the score went up as you can see here. And then like even till then also, if you look at the time, it was almost 11:15 where the score was negative 14 or almost near to zero. And but still then the Nifty was at 21,964, okay. And then finally Nifty went up here, and that's how our AI money flow performed. So finally, like even if you can see here, that is Nifty went up from here 21,968, and then it went up, and then finally like it halted in the neutral zone, okay. So talking about Bank Nifty again as well, so if you look at here, that is again a similar situation happened in Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty was here at around 424, but the score came up and it came to negative to almost near to the zero line. And then you saw that even Bank Nifty also came up, and it did not go up much, so a neutral kind of situation. So talking about the our charts, the levels are working perfectly fine, okay. Even if you see here, Nifty came down 21,926, it gave support. It's giving support for the last the last two time also it gave support, and so it's giving support for a long time, okay. And so it gave support, and it went up and got resistance at our level 22,053. Fine. Now talking about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you look at here, that is Bank Nifty is mainly going between our two lines of controls, that is this 46,900 and 46,101, and one should be very like Bank Nifty will be clearing one of those. And so again the election dates have been announced, so I will be looking for bullish trades, but again no one can say what will happen exactly tomorrow. Talking about our FinNifty is hovering around our level 20,649, okay. And now, so what I meant in Bank Nifty was whichever side it's break, it will be a breakout trade, okay. And talking about here, our FI is bought while the DI is sold, which is very unusual. And even if you look at our GIFT Nifty, so let's look at GIFT Nifty. So even if you look at GIFT Nifty, so it's down, but again nothing could be said about this GIFT Nifty, so it might be down, or tomorrow we might close gap up. So anyways, let's come to the EOD data. So EOD data, if you look at here, that is on last day Friday, So prop decks, they may, so let's come to FIs. FIs have taken short positions on both the sides. They are call writers as well as put writers. I think they are writing puts in the far expiries, okay, and call writers, and majorly they have done call writing. But on the other hand, our prop decks, they are put buyers and call writers, okay. Talking about overall the March month, prop decks are put buyers and call writers. And talking about here, that is FIs are put writers as well as call writers, but they have also bought some extra calls, okay, that day when I told you, because I think they shorted in the futures which they still haven't closed, and that's why, like, to hedge, they have bought some calls. And that's why you will see the difference between call buying and call writing a little bit negligible. Okay, talking about put writing, so mainly they have call writing overall, and they also have a good amount of put writing as well. So in the futures, again, on Friday, not much positions have been taken, but a quantity of futures long positions have been closed by the FIs, and they are not closing the short positions which they made recently. And talking about prop decks also, like, they have those prop decks which went long, they are still believing that market will overcome, and the ones who went short have further shorted, not by a huge quantity but a fair amount of quantity, okay. So overall, if futures is looking bearish, slightly bearish, okay, not like 1000 points fall or something, slightly bearish. And talking about option chain, prop decks are the king now, as I've been telling you. So I'm following their data, so they are put buyers and call writers, okay. So I think like maybe 100, 200, 300 points fall at max, or maybe like the next main support is at 21,840, okay. So that can get completed, and it can go up, or might be like tomorrow things may start changing, okay. So that's what I told even on Thursday's analysis as well, that is, you have to see what the fresh positions are building up. And that's why even on Friday I told you that look at here, that is go for sell on rise. Even in the later on tweets I also said that if Nifty goes up, go for sell on rise, and if it clears if it breaks 21,960 926, so then go then the next major level is 21,840, then also we can short, okay. And so those were my ideas of trading. And also, like, in the morning I showed you that fresh short positions are building up from our AI money flow, okay. So that's what you have to do, catch what the current trend is. And now that's the overall analysis. So again, if the current data is not changing, then only my final verdict is sell on rise, because this is like market will be very, very, very volatile. And that's why I'm cautioning you, that is, if the data remains same, then it's a sell on rise. Otherwise, if the data changes, we have to go with the change, okay. So that's it for this video. That's my analysis. If my analysis are helping you, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And thanks for watching. And also, if you want such live analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators, and also you get my live analysis, of the big put buyers or call buyers or the writers also, okay. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.